This is the Virhuck 1139A. But let's get into the unboxing. Here is your on and off switch. It's a hard plastic steering wheel. It comes with a 9-volt. That is all it has. There's no trim. There's nothing. It's just throttle, forward and reverse, on and off, and your left and right turn. That's it. The truck has a metal body on. It has a little bit of articulation in the suspension. It has a front motor and a rear motor, so it is 4-wheel drive. To get to the battery, you have to take the screw out here. And included is 4.8 volt, 400 milliamp nickel metal hydride battery. Basically, it's going to take a long time to charge and not a long time to discharge, so battery life probably won't be that great, but it is a pretty neat looking crawler. If you want to trim the steering, your steering trim is right here. So it's a very basic vehicle. I don't have high expectations for it, although it wasn't expensive. It was only like $15. Also in the box, you get a user manual. So there you have it. There's not a lot that comes with this, and not a lot to really go over because there isn't a lot in the box. But I can't wait to get this out. It has some fairly soft rubber tires. I just can't wait to see how well it does. So I'm going to charge this up and then we're ready to run. We have the Virhuck 1139A. So I did charge this up and turn the power on here. Let's see if it's proportional or not. No, it is non-proportional. How about the steering? No, steering is also non-proportional. I have a little bit of a wooded area here and a little dirt path here that we rip around with the dirt bikes. So here we go. Okay, it's not very fast or powerful. It's getting stuck in these sticks. just saw the Virhuck 1139A, and well, it's definitely toy grade. It is slightly underpowered. Also, the non-proportional steering and the non-proportional throttle kind of made it really limited and a little bit hard to control. It took a little bit till I got used to it. It was a little easier to keep it in a straighter line. The next RC are going to be these drones from JJRC. We have the JJ1 and the JJ2. 2 drones come in this one pack, so you kind of get a 2-for-1 deal with this. But that'll do it for this video. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.